At Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver, we know your roof is your home's ultimate shield. As a trusted roofing company near Washington Park, Denver, Colorado, we are dedicated to keeping your family safe and protected. A secure roof is more than just a structure, it's peace of mind. That's why we take pride in delivering durable, high-quality solutions you can trust for years to come. From weather-resistant metal to classic asphalt shingles, our materials are built to endure Colorado's toughest elements. We don't just fix roofs, we fortify your home's defense. When storms strike or damage occurs, we're here to restore your roof's integrity. Our expert team works with precision to ensure your home is ready for anything. Your roof is the first line of protection against the unpredictable, and we treat it with the care it deserves. Every project we undertake is done with your safety in mind. We know dealing with roof damage can be stressful, but you're not alone. Let us guide you through the process, ensuring every nail and shingle is in the right place. Located near Washington Park, we're more than roofers. We're protectors of your home. Our dedication to security and craftsmanship sets us apart. Call us today at 970-545-0020 or visit sites.google.com/view/roofing-washington-park-co. Together, let's build a roof that gives you the safety and peace of mind you deserve. Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver. Strong roofs, safer homes, always.